I like this right here, especially because all the instrumentation drops out. The vocal filtering creates, it's helped creating the ambiance and the sound more than anything else. Hey guys, it's Sam here. Welcome back to the channel. Today we got a brand new soloist for us for Soloist Saturday. We have Seori. I'm hoping I'm saying that correctly. This is Hairdryer, and I believe this is her debut as well. I was looking through her channel. She's got like some covers and some other stuff too that was released before this. But we're gonna go with what I'm gonna call her official debut. If I'm wrong on that, let me know. But this one's Hairdryer, brand new soloist, because she was commented a couple times in some of the other vids as far as when I'm asking for suggestions. And just to show you guys I listen, let's go. That being said, I don't listen to all the suggestions, but I'm, there's only so much I can do with 3 videos a day. Type deal, you know? And a 6.5 long minute MV, so.
Through the window. Vibrant lights illuminate the room.
I might be able to turn, well, I'm gonna keep them on so that I can keep looking up higher.
Past the horizon behind the sky. Dry petal of a flower drops helplessly. Allowed wild violets to flower. Loved the beauty of its solitude. The world only loves what is perceived and fails to believe what is not valued, neglecting the ripped, tried, and the fallen.
Okay. So slightly deep passage without being crazy deep, right? Kind of like this though. Like this bass. I think it's fretless, maybe. Okay. I like this. Oh, dear boy. Oh, vocal filtering.
You used to dry my hair that rainy day. Oh, my lover, when you call my name once again.
It's almost like she's underwater and being filtered out. Cortana! If you get that reference, let me know. I like this right here, especially because all the instrumentation drops out. The vocal filtering creates, it's helped creating the ambiance and the sound more than anything else, because there is no music, there's no instrumentation behind her. It's still here right now, and you've got right now the only thing that you're hearing is slight bass, and then you've got brushes on the snare drum kind of rubbing out, which is that sound in the background. But like she's not pressing at any point with her voice, but she doesn't need to because it doesn't fit the song. You know, like I'm not saying she doesn't have power, but like she's got such control to stay at this lower register in her vocal character, and it just sounds so cool and it's refreshing and it's different. You know, because it's not like it's not poppy, right? It's more reserved and I'll say more grown up, for lack of a better term, as far as the music is concerned. I'm assuming she probably helped write and produce some of the music as well, because she was sitting at the keyboard and whatnot. But some cool visual effects.
Was it a dream? I reached out to the hole. It felt like there was a destination I had to go to.
Okay, that's a fucking wicked twist. This is a whole different song. What song was this on the end right here? If I can find it. No, it doesn't say anything. Is this all that's here? Is it just credits? Just credits, okay. I really like her voice. It's just something about that lower register. She sang very well with it, I guess. And if she produces or helps like write her own stuff, like, then that's really cool too, because that's just another level of appreciation that I can give to her, if you will. But I like how this had a more, like I said, like adult feel, like grown-up feel, without being, you know, I don't want to say pretentious or anything, because that's not the word I'm going for. Because it's not. It was jazzy without being like super jazzy. It had jazz elements as far as like the fretless bass. I mean, it could have been an upright, but I think it was fretless. The way that the synth was played was great. The super low key drum, as far as just using brushes on the snare, just to kind of give that background feel of as far as the drum as well. But I like this, and I will be excited to get into more of her stuff. Now, I know this only came out like a year ago, so she doesn't have a ton as far as like MVs go, but like I said, she's got some covers and some other stuff on her channel. So that's something we can go down the road with when we have Seori on the channel. But either way, let me know what you guys thought about this one. Thanks for sticking around to the end. Cheers to you guys, and we'll see y'all in the next one.